State asigi integrated draft photo electoral roll ngasi phongkhre. Mamangi phongkhipa draft photo electoral roll dagi voter masing lising ipan gisuna kuntra hengatkre. State asigi sip electoral officer gi lamphel da leiba office da pangthokipa thoromda CEO Manipur Pradeep Kumar Jhana integrated draft photo electoral roll adu phongkhi. Thorom maduda pongmising da wangang laduna CEO Manipur Pradeep Kumar Jhana phongdokivada integrated draft photo electoral roll asi lisingani kunmanga gi January gi tang amada qualifying date oiraga phongbani. Final electoral roll na lisingani kunmanga gi January gi tang tarukta phongani. CEO na makha taraduna ngasi phongliba draft photo electoral roll asigi matungina state asigi oina voter masing lisingi pan gi sumna kuntra tret hengatuna apunba voter masing Lakh kun Lishing kuntra mariga satruk humpu oiki. Electoral population ratio na sada yang mari dasmik nipan mari oiki ngasi phongliba integrated draft photo electoral roll gi printed copy sing sakhanglaba national amasung state political parties in the loba yagani loidana CEO Manipur gi website ceomanipur.nic.in dagisu yengba yagani haiki.
Manipur would be one of the best states as far as the gender ratio of the voters is concerned. Electoral population ratio is recorded at 54.84 as compared to 55.54% in the previous roll. Against the previous final electoral roll of 2024, there has been an increase of 8,037 electors. So today in the draft roll, we stand at 20,34,660 voters. Final publication of the electoral roll would be done by 6th of January 2025. Anybody can enroll, delete or make corrections and apply for shifting of his or her name in the electoral roll. Physical forms. Applications may be also submitted online at voters.eci.gov.in and also through the voter helpline mobile app. Important point to note here is that applicants who become eligible with the prescribed age of 18 years and above with 1st January 2025 as qualifying date, subsequent qualifying dates of the year, that is 1st of April 2025, 1st of July 2025 and 1st of October 2025. They can, person A becomes eligible on 1st of April to be enrolled as a voter.